Well, there we go. That's not a bad shine, is it? That's from Polished this morning, and then it started raining. So all the bottom of the boat's done now. Copper coat patches where the stands were done. Sail drive has been done. New seals, lip seals, new O-rings, a new gaiter, new underside gaiter. Keels been stripped and done. Bow thruster done. We've over-ended the chain, so I took the chain out and over-ended that. Anchor's back up. See, she's got a lovely shine on her now. I have just the this side to do. To be honest, we do it every year in boats, so it's not that bad. You can see she's got a few streaks down here, down there. So she'll get a wash off tomorrow with boat wash. Some black marks up there by the top of the tower. You can hardly call it a tower. Christ, it's wobbly. It's got no cross bracing. The only thing that's stopping it moving as a parallelogram is that back ladder stay. So of course the top moves about 9 inches to a foot, and no internal ladder, no way of getting up, you have to use our ladder. Anyway, the chain plates, I checked those internally, it was about 2 weeks ago. They're all fine. These little covers are designed to allow water to weep out. The trouble is they get black in them when it rains, as it did earlier. It all comes pouring out, smears the side of the boat. A few more smears, black smears there, so I'll do them tomorrow. But that's it. Anode's back on there. If you remember, a few years back we put it on in Tunisia just to see if it made any difference. Well, we took it off and we came out and it had eroded somewhat, so it's doing something, we don't know what. And I've said it before, but a lot of boats seem to have them. We don't, technically we don't need it, but it's on there. Right, I need to go on the computer now. Oh, Cindy did all the fenders today as well. That's why they're hanging up. Cleaned all them up. Yeah. I think we're going to go back in the water on... When did I say? It was going to be Tuesday. I think it's going to be Monday now because of the weather.